Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. In a reversal from Tuesday's, small caps dragged while the other indices closed higher. The Nasdaq rallying 1.25%, while the S&P gained 0.75%. The Dow tacked on 0.5%. Consumer discretionary soared as the leading sector, rallying 2.5% on the session. Consumer staples and tech also gained more than 1% each. Healthcare was the notable laggard, sliding 1.5%. The session's biggest story came from Apple, rallying 5% after the company pledged another $100 billion to build U.S. factories. This adds on to Apple's already $500 billion pledge that it made earlier this year. CEO Tim Cook joined President Trump to discuss the plan, which is expected to be a 4-year commitment. And earnings continue to drive market movement, starting with the S&P's biggest laggard. Supermicro closed 18% lower after it posted a double miss. The company's guidance for the current quarter also disappointed, but revenue expectations for fiscal 2026 still hit above Wall Street estimates. On the opposite end, Arista Networks was the S&P's top performer following its earnings beat. The AI developer sees $2.25 billion in sales for the current quarter, above expectations for $2.09 billion. The company's CEO added that, quote, Arista is well positioned in data-driven AI networking from client to cloud. And Shopify tapped highs that it hasn't seen since December of 2021 after the e-commerce platform posted a strong quarterly profit. Its net income of $906 million was several times above Wall Street estimates of $257 million and last year's profits of $171 million for the same quarter. Management added that it sees revenue growing at a mid to high 20% range in the current quarter. Eli Lilly, Constellation Energy, Vistra, and Celsius lead the earnings front before tomorrow's opening bell. Block, Pinterest, Trade Desk, and Rocket Labs will report after the close. And we'll watch for jobless claims and productivity and cost data tomorrow. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.